Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amirazi Fashion YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. So today we are making this beautiful off-shoulder top with a puff sleeve. Guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload new videos like this, and you can share my videos with your friends, give my video a thumbs up, and also tell your friends to also subscribe after watching my videos. Please, we have similar tutorial on this channel. You can also check out it and watch it to the end. Please watch this tutorial to the end.
So this is our material that we are using to make our off-shoulder top with a puff sleeve. So this is the front side of it and this is the wrong side of it. So we'll start with our measurement now. So we want to start with we are cutting it together, all together, that is the front and the back. So this is the length. The length we are using now is 17.5 that we used and fold the downside. So that is the rolling line that I'm using. I'm rolling out so that we'll start with the measurement. So we start with the neck measurement. So this is the neck. I'm marking 3.5. It's 3.5 that I'm marking there now. So that is the armhole side that I'm also marking out now. The armhole side is 1.5. So that is the armhole that I'm rolling out now. So the body measurement now is that the bust is 35. So that is 35 there now. So remember to add your allowance on it. So that is the downside because it's a top. So that place will start at the waist side. So that is the waist side. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Watch my video to the end and share it to your friends. And we have done something like this before. You can also watch it. So that is the measurement. I'm adding my sewing allowance there. So the waist measurement that we have there now is 26. So that is the 26. Connecting it from the bust side of it to the waist side. So that is the allowance side we have done, and we'll cut it. So we are cutting it all together, remember, and it will have a zip at the down the side of it. So this is the neck now. So I'm giving it out with 1 inch to cut it out. That is for the neck, the cleavage side. So that is the cutting side now, the armhole side. So it has allowance. The allowance that I added there is 1.5. So that is the downside of it now. So we just curve it a little so that it will add that curving side, not a straight line. So that is the side. So we're done with the cutting. Remember, we cut the front and the back all together, and it will have a side zip on it at the side. So we don't have opening side of the zip at the back side, no. So this is the measurement of the sleeve now. So the length and the width is, the length is 17, the width now is 12. So that is it now. So we are adding our zipper, that is the elastic. We are using big side of elastic to put it. That is 1-inch elastic. That is the upper side of it now. So can you see? And the downside is small elastic that I'm using to drag it out so that it will puff out. So that is the downside, 1/2 inch of elastic that we are using to drag the downside of it. And before you know, we're going to stitch it on the machine and join it to the body. So can you see it now? And see the two sleeve is out. So we have joined it now to the body of this top now. So this is the sleeve, and you can also watch my video to the end.
Yes guys, we have added our puff sleeve on our top, and our top is ready. Don't forget, the top is an off-shoulder top with a puff sleeve. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. Please always watch our videos to the end so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. And don't forget to also share these videos with your friends. Tell them to subscribe also. So please, I'll see you on my next video.